Hello and welcome to this video. On this video, I'm going to be changing out the transmission mount on my year 2000 ML320 Mercedes. This is Mercedes part number 163-240-0318, and it should be a pretty simple job. So wanted to remind you to always wear safety glasses, and also if you put the car on jack stands, make sure you have some safety jack stands underneath it as well in case it falls. In our case, we put it up on a couple of small ramps, so we should be able to get under there no problem. So we'll get started here in just a second. All right, as I mentioned, we put our SUV up on a couple of small ramps, one on the front wheel, one on the back wheel. This gives me plenty of room to slide under and get to the transmission. Okay, so there's a cross member that goes between, it's around close to the passenger side of the car, maybe between the driver's and passenger side. And in this case, since we have four-wheel drive, it holds a transmission mount for both the transmission and the transfer unit, which is right here. So I put a jack on the front of it and on the back of it, and I've taken 4 16mm nuts. You'll find 2 studs sticking down here, and there's 16mm nuts there, and then 2 here. And then in addition, I've just loosened the 2 nuts on the end of this rail that holds everything up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2 nuts off on one side and let the whole thing come down a slight bit, and then I'll take the transmission mount out and replace it. So I'll get that done here in just a second. Okay, when you drop the cross member down, this is just going to pop right out, and you'll be able to slide it off. And here's the new one, genuine Mercedes. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to put some Loctite 222 on all the nuts, tighten it all up. That's all there is to this job. It's actually a 30-minute job. Very, very easy. Thanks for watching.